It is very handy to have a Bluetooth speaker in your travel bag. You can easily carry those portable speakers and use them to play your favorite music anytime, anywhere. Good bass, sound quality, battery backup, and affordable price are some of the features which a buyer always expects while buying Bluetooth speakers. So here we are bringing you some of the best Bluetooth speakers under 2000 which you can buy. Now, all the speakers in this video has been selected on the basis of their user rating on Amazon, and we have selected the highly rated ones because we want you to get the best available in the market. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is Portronics POR871. Portronics comes with a simple design and solid build that can be your partner in crime. You can play music on 3 different sound levels according to your need. The speaker is compact and portable that can be easily connected via Bluetooth. The speaker has a common cylindrical shape which is a norm for portable speakers. This cylindrical speaker has a larger diameter as compared to similar speakers and is made up of strong durable metal. The speaker supports Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity. All the control buttons are located at the center of the cylindrical shaped speaker with the logo of the brand imprinted at the top of the speaker. Sound quality and dual speakers of 5 watts is one of the major attraction for the users. The twin speakers collectively produce a 10-watt sound that can be heard even in a noisy environment. Additionally, there is an inbuilt FM tuner that you can use for listening to your favorite radio shows on the go. With an impressive design and least sound distortion, these Portronics speakers can be your best Bluetooth speakers under 2000. The Portronics speakers have so much to offer, from features to sound quality and build to design. The speaker offers you all. This can be your best buy if you are looking for a quality and best Bluetooth speaker under 2000. So the next one in our list is MI Basic 2. MI is one of the popular brands for the past few years now. The brand has now started introducing more quality electronics accessories at a very affordable price. MI Basic 2 is a feature-rich speaker that has a minimal design and is one of the best Bluetooth speakers under 2000. MI Basic 2 is made up of a metallic chassis body that makes it durable and has a dual dynamic speaker. The speaker has an integrated microphone that will assist you in calling. It supports both wireless and wired connectivity. The speaker supports 4.2 Bluetooth wireless connectivity alongside an aux port for wired connectivity. Speakers are available in black and white color options. The dual speakers comes with 5-watt speaker output and a bass radiator that propagates the sound effects alongside quality stereo surround effect. The speakers have enough loudness to fill your room with enthralling sound. There is a rubber pad embedded at the bottom of the device which minimizes distortion in the sound. The dual dedicated speaker of Xiaomi is premium in terms of sound quality, which is available at a reasonable price. One limitation of this speaker is that sound propagates unidirectionally, so you can buy it if you are going to use it in small or medium-sized rooms. With so much to offer, the speaker can be the best Bluetooth speaker under 2000. So the next one in our list is Energy Music Box B2. The speakers comes with a sleek rectangular box design that is easy to carry and convenient to operate. All the control buttons have been placed at the top of the device, while the USB and aux port is located at the top of the back panel. The sleek and grille design is pleasing to the eye and comes in a pure black color option. The speaker is equipped with 2 dynamic full-range stereo speakers that can produce a Boss-like sound. The speaker comes with a 6-watt output that can fill your place with high-tone music. The speakers support Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity with HSP, A2DP and HFP. Speaker has a battery capacity of 800 mAh that can last up to 10 hours of music playback time. The app has decent features and sound quality with an impressive battery backup that offers long hours of playback. You can buy this speaker if you are a party animal and loves hard music. So the next one in our list is JBL Go. JBL is known for producing quality speakers with high bass and treble. The clarity in sound is one of the features JBL speakers never misses out on. This JBL Go speaker can be your first choice if you're planning to buy the best Bluetooth speaker under 2000. JBL Go is built with a solid metal material that makes it durable. The speaker is square shaped where the control buttons are placed at the top of the speaker. The control button includes Bluetooth and the call receives a button. The initials of the brand can be seen in the front part of the speaker. The speaker can be best if you are using it indoors as it is not compatible with outdoor noise. You can experience a piece of good bass music coming out of this JBL speaker. This has a 40mm driver size that can produce 3-watt sound output. The speaker has a noise cancellation feature that can further enhance your playback experience. The speaker can produce sound between 180 to 20,000 Hz, which is enough to light up your bedroom or a mid-sized room with music. JBL Go can be a very good deal if you are looking for a mid-range portable best Bluetooth speaker under 2000 for indoor use. The speaker is available in multiple vibrant that includes orange, blue and red color options. So the last one in our list is Sony SRS XB01. Sony is undeniably the most preferable brand by the mass in terms of electronic accessories. The brand name is enough for the buyers to buy Sony products. This solid build speaker is one of those many speakers that can provide you all you want. The speaker is a bit oval shaped and is compact that can light up your party with its fantastic bass. The speaker comes with a textured rubber finish and polycarbonate material built. The speaker is a perfect synonym for elegance. Control buttons have been placed on the top, while aux and the USB port has been placed on the sides that are protected with a rubber flap. The speaker is dust and waterproof that comes with NFC. Near field communication technology. You can avail this best Bluetooth speaker under 2000 in multiple colors. The speaker comes with 37.5mm neodymium speaker that produce bass-rich sound and have a no noise distortion at peak volume levels. You can have a quality playback experience with Sony speakers as sound can be heard in a noisy background also. The Sony speaker is our pick of the list and you can buy it without giving a second thought. The product is durable and carries a reliable brand name, so no worries for you. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. So which of the above mentioned you have liked the most? Please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more future updates like this, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.